Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It is after 12. I've just finished doing my nails. In fact, I did 3 nails. Well, I did 2 nails. The one that I had on, I took them off, and that is the ones that are in this video. I drilled them out and I filed them down and I top coated them because I love this set. This set took some time to do. I enjoyed doing it, but yeah, I don't want to do it again for now. So I didn't want to waste it, so I drilled it out and I put it down because I want to re-wear it. I don't know when I will, but I'm gonna. Okay, don't play with me. But I'm not gonna say me just say that. I'm not gonna actually wear it, but I will anyways. In this vlog, guys, I was basically on TikTok live while I was doing my install. So I was using my mirror to do the install. Mind you that the most, no matter how many they shape most, and I go out with myself, that most there, the thing break off, and the mousse never does serve me no justice. So I had to purchase a new mousse recently, so that mousse did not work well at all. So guys, let me give you guys a story time about this hair. I have this hair approximately not 1 year now, but I have this year for. Let me go back over this. So when I come over here, go back over this, man. Sleep when I sleep. Sometimes I have one day, you know. Pick them thing and them better sleep until them see me at the device over. Them I broke them neck I come over. Stay one there. Bedtime. So back to what I was saying. I can't stop it and chop. Anyways, so I was installing this wig for the first time. Both of the times when it was installed, it was not installed by me. And I recently purchased another iron to do the baby hair, because as y'all realize that this curling iron is it's good, it can use, but anytime I try to use it, it burn me. So I have a very warm time using that curling iron, because every time I use it, it burn me, and but can't buy the bag of bud things, so but I try to change it. Anyways guys, I don't think I'm gonna be, talking right throughout this vlog, because I late hours now, I'm not ready to sleep yet. My day I chat to, hey, but don't take it for an habit, because it's not. I'm not gonna do it all the time. Anyways, but just in my mind, I say me I do something, me I do style, and I don't know when me that do them time. I think I should me that should be jelani. Did so me I should be jelani. Me I custom out. But on a serious note though, when really I look at my nails, are cute. Back to the story, but I tell them about the little mousse. So the mousse wasn't moussing. I told myself that I didn't want to do any baby hair with this install. Reason being is because backstory on this hair. So I purchased this hair for my birthday last year, and this hair it could have buy a couple cement and couple steel, and for build a house. And guys, I'm kind of confused with the texture of it. I washed it, and when I washed it, it gave me hell because the whole thing tangled, and my whole backlash just made done in it. Got the whole thing tangled, and then I was gonna install it for Christmas, but then I had changed my mind and I did the blonde wig for Christmas. So now I decided to put this on. I still have it on right now, but I just have it wrapped up because I realized that it's shedding a lot and it's tangling a lot, and I have no idea why it's behaving like this now. But I think I need to get it what the thing with them do to the ear way. But I don't know if you guys are seeing, it's giving skin though. It's like really cute. It's really cute on me right now. My lashes are not that cute anymore. They want to get done. Yeah, they want to get did. Ow. So this is me doing my thing, and I think I'm gonna start doing more videos like these where I just like run the camera, and then after I like edit it and post it up same way. So yeah, this kind of look rough, but it's not. I don't know why that's looking like that on the camera, but it doesn't look like that in reality. It actually looks cute. So yeah guys, that is me pressing combing out the ear, because everybody knows that at comb per install is the buzz, is the drip, is the zuzz, is the zhuzz. Yeah, so Jelani always dip on the live them I give me heels. So guys, I want short nails now. Oh my god, I don't know if you are gonna be else. I don't know if you all are gonna believe me, but wait, I'm gonna insert a clip of my nails now right here. Give me a minute, let me do that. Yeah guys, I don't know say it's acrylic press ons. Y'all know I don't do nothing other than acrylic, okay? Acrylic press ons are the yours today. Ow. So these are actually what I have on right now. I just finished doing them. I thought about going short. If you guys ever see the ones that I did earlier on tonight, but I didn't install them because I was thinking, what if something will come up where, I want a little pandan palma and I'm just press on them the quick and fast. So whenever I use them, I leave them for a little occasion. So guys, I recently started doing this where I would curl the baby hair first and then lay them, and honestly it works. It does make the baby hair look better. But the thing is, I realized that when I use this particular iron, it burns me, and it doesn't really go down how I would want it to. And like a while, I don't know if you realize the pull of me do like me is a Hulk. Lift up back the piece of lace, so I have to do press it out back. Hey, so guys, I want to install another hair, but I just don't know what color to install. I don't know what to install. Like, I'm lost right now, yeah. So that is me doing the little edges thing there right there. So yes, the thing is, the hair still look nice. All I have to do right now is put some spritz on it, or put some got to be on it. Wanna see how easy that go down? Like seriously, just look on it. Remember normally with me the baby ear me I struggle, guys. Wanna see how easy that go down? Try it. If you wanna learn to install it ear and the baby ear and you're struggling, try the whole mousse and glue and something there. It does work. I'm not tell a lie, normal. So I did it now, guys, and I'm about to do. I don't even remember if I did edges. I think I did the other side just like that, but I didn't do any top edges because I don't have any top edges in right now. Aisha clap right through. Aisha be watching me and be clapping. She just clapping like she crazy. But back to bad, man, I like. Why am I gonna leave this something? But fix it good already, I'm gonna trouble it. But you know what I mean? Is a troublemaker, yeah.
That's why I'm clapping.
Which ones? You like the ones in the video? Or you like the ones we just made? You like both of them? So anyways, guys, y'all know me. Oh, you like the short ones too? Alright, so the wig is wigging. It's just that I don't know why that wig are just a leaf. Even about leaf, that wig are just a like it get old. Oh yeah, what me that say? Probably it need for we call it something, the steam with the thing of the I always see, make a Google, make a YouTube, how you steam the wig them with that something there when we see the people them.
Sometimes my hair scratch me.
Guys, remember me is not a professional, so me not do the bag, me not do the cutting like what the people them do. Me just go in with my scissors and me just cut it off quick and fast. But anyways, as me tell them, I buy the little iron thing. Yeah, me buy the little flat iron. So I say, guys, I say, wait no, I want to do a story time tomorrow if you done the little cranny girl upon my video. And if you go look, if she comment again. Now one girl I go contact about how I suffer with her dirty thinking self. What she know about suffering? She ever sooner go on the bed hungry yet? She ever sooner not have clothes to put on yet? Girl, they don't want me done her. Them better glad me change,
You better black her.
And that me gonna make a black girl, cause girl crosses. Them girl no want me. Them girl better thank God me change. See, I 3 daughter me go pan now, so I have to
get black out by you.
Yeah, that me gonna make just black them and go on. But back to bad Aisha, me go out with myself, not true? Me go out with myself, man. Back to bad, me go out with myself. I feel myself that I say, me did I feel myself. Yeah. Me feel myself right through. Talk truth. Guys, I don't know why this took me so long. I think it was because I was on the live. I was doing my hair on the live and I had this video in the phone that I didn't post. And I was like, oh my god, why did I not post this video? And then I thought to myself, the day I know, let me just edit this. So I did do that. I'm gonna go so bam 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 and put on like edges this so. And then me just change my mind, I was like, you know what? Get somebody else to do it. I did do it, but then I changed my mind after. Get somebody else to do it. I ain't doing that.
Are you cutting your hair?
Yeah. To make me some edges. You see, the thing about me is, guys, my daughters love nails and they love hair. And I don't let it be a bother to me. I actually love the fact that they enjoy stuff like this because, listen, enough girl picnic and boy picnic out there. Enough boy picnic out there love girly things. And enough girl picnic out there love boy things. And then end up turn lesbian, which is not bad. I don't hate lesbians, or I don't have anything against them, but
my mommy's right.
I would want to have grandkids in the future when my kids are old enough, you know. So, but if that's the part where them choose to go down, who is me for argue? I can't argue. Them time them never gonna have teeth for cuss nobody. So yeah, me not gonna have teeth for cuss nobody. But me not lie, bad to bad. The install come out properly. You know, so me talk about my hair. My hair wasn't hearing. Aisha, me advice over tapping eyes. My hair wasn't hearing. That's the problem, man. But in all honesty, in reality, it kind of cute still. Me not tell a lie normal. Why am I talk like me I eat that? Why am I saying normal and them? And guys, I'm long. Uncle belly, why? I'm long here, you know? Jesus. But anyways, guys, as I said, back to the future. Yeah, I'm gonna wash another hair. I'm gonna get the something when me fi use wash the ear, because me feel like if me did use that there, the ear would have give me a better fall. So me that tell them say the mousse done. Me that tell them say the mousse not moussing. So I did get another mousse though, guys. I bought it because y'all know I do my installs by myself, so I can't afford to run out of glue or mousse. Because what if a nice clean company reach out to me and say, goods, more if do so me have to go so ropes badam bam boops, you know, things set. I should make it come out for me. True. Yeah. So that's my side. That's that, guys. Want to check out my TikTok page, because you don't know, say I'm mad somebody have go on myself over there. Anyways, that video you're gonna know. So I can't believe some chat for 12 minutes straight. I so me love chat. My Jesus, my chat it out. So see me the guys a party in little color, cause some part I did white or something. Me a party teen. Anyways, tomorrow I go get to see me on my nails when I upload another video. But this I upload tomorrow in the morning. So big up on the safe, nice boom.